Hey guys, so I will bring you another update on Milwaukee nail guns. This time it's gonna be M18 Milwaukee nail. So this is it. I'm gonna show you how this nail perform. So how you can see, you can run the nailer on 2 amp battery, 4 amp battery or 5 amp battery. You can even use it 9 amp or 12 amp, but I can tell you straight away the 2 amp is strong enough to fire these 50 mil nail through oak, through everything. This nail gun take from 16 mil to 54 mil nails, which is plenty enough for 18 gauge nailer. So let me put the battery in. I'm gonna show you how it works. One more thing what I forget, these nails are coming with 2 spare tips. You can change it on the front. Let's have an easy load mode. You just slide this open, put your nails in, slide it back like that. Another thing is you have the power on and off button under here. Just hold it, it's on. If you hold the mode button, it switch to the bump mode, or hold it again and it's a single shot. So I'm gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna take this poplar. You go put it on the single mode, so you can't even, oh sorry, I didn't put it all the way in. Now you can see it's doing such a small hole. You can adjust the sinkage on here, easy, with rolling the button. Now if you switch it, sorry, you hold the trigger and you go, yeah, this is the bump mode. You hold it again, boom. You can try on the oak as well, so you see it doesn't have any problem to sink nails through oak. No problem whatsoever. And I'm running the nail gun on 2 amp. How you can see, no problem whatsoever. So this is the M18 18 gauge nail gun from Milwaukee. Thanks for watching.